All right, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is where you are. Rick Reed here with another hot flyer slash postcard. The unlimited $200 flyer and postcard, people. Okay, before we get started, what I want you to do is click on that subscribe button. Click on that subscribe button right now, and also click on the notification bell where you get all my important updates and everything. Okay, now I'm gonna go over this with you. Now, this has the potential for you to make up to $1,200 weekly, people. $1,200 weekly. This is a special that I want you to imagine opening up thousands of envelopes with mailbox cash money in it. Okay, with this particular flyer, you get unlimited $200 and 5 books of stamps each time someone joins from your flyer. Okay, you're gonna get $200 and 5 books of stamps each time someone joins you from your flyer. All right, now what I do is when they join, okay, and you get that package and they join you, what I'm gonna send on your behalf is I'm gonna send 500 full data leads. You're gonna have a personal flyer just like this, okay, with your name and information right here. With your name and information right here. All right. Now there's a $50 admin fee attached to that. Okay. But what they're gonna send you $250, but you're gonna send a $50 admin fee to me. Once I get that, I will put this together with your name on it or their name on it, an address. If you want a phone number, your phone number go here, whatever you want on there. It can be, this could be a postcard or it could be a flyer. This is what the postcard would look like. This would be the front of the postcard. Okay, now this bottom portion from here on down would be the back of that postcard. Okay, so you get to select the postcard or you get to select a flyer. And all you have to do, people, is just simply mail. Okay, I created a place where your stamp can go right here. All right, if you use it as a postcard, okay, and you could put the name right here. Now, I have what I call full data lead. They have names, addresses, and cell phone numbers. People move sometime, okay? But their email address and their phone number rarely change, okay? It rarely changes, so you can send them an email or you can call them. Now, also what you'll be getting is my mailbox cash money marketing kit, people. This marketing kit is packed. It's packed with new information that I put together, little tricks and trades that I use, okay, that I use on there. So the new envelopes that I put together, I'll be personalizing your flyer, okay, and I'll be personalizing your envelopes for you. All that'll be emailed to you. Everything you get, once payment is made, you're gonna get it in your email. You don't have to wait 3-4 weeks for anything to come in the mail. You're gonna get it immediately. That's what I'm talking about. I'm talking about allowing you to participate in your own rescue immediately. Look at this, people. Just 5 people sending you $200. That's 1,000. All right. How about 10 people getting started? Hey, that's $2,000. And 20 people, $4,000, people. And we're talking cash or U.S. Postal money order only. Okay, cash and U.S. Postal money order only. And the reason why I go with U.S. Postal money order is because you can cash that anywhere. There's no hold up or anything. You're gonna get that and it's gonna be cashed immediately. Now the marketing kit gonna have where I get my discounts on stamps, Okay, where I get my flyers made cheap. Look how beautiful this flyer is. Look at this, people. Can you imagine this coming in the mail? And this is how it's gonna look. That's coming in the mail. You go to www.cashcowprogram.com. That's www.cashcowprogram.com, and you're gonna see over 40 money-making flyers and postcards. All you got to do is click on it, print it out, and mail it in. For those of you that don't have printers, you can click on it and write down the information. It's telling you what to do right here. Okay? You just write on a sheet of paper, unlimited $200, or the Mailbox Cash Money flyer, or the fast mail order flyer, or whatever flyer or postcard that you see at cashcowprogram.com. You just write that information down and mail it in with your name and your address and your phone number. And that's it, people. You do not have to have this flyer, and you can get started immediately. And this is what I'm talking about. Now, $200, okay? I'm going to be sending you 500 full data leads. I'm going to send you $1,000 in grocery coupon of your choice. You select the coupons you want for items that you know that you use. I'm going to send you $1,000 in fast food coupons. Okay, Burger King, McDonald's, Wendy's, IHOP, Denny's, Olive Garden, Red Lobster, a lot of great places. And again, the Mailbox Cash Money Marketing Kit and unlimited support. All you gotta do is pick the phone up and give me a call. Okay, 346-704-1754. That's 346-704-1754. A simple phone call, or you can go to cashcowprogram.com, send me an email, and guess what? I will get it and we can have a conversation. Okay, so it is as simple as that. You can get paid $200, 5 books of stamps is what they're gonna send to you when they get started from your flyer. Okay, now what I will be sending on your behalf is 500 full data leads. Those are name, addresses, phone numbers, cell numbers, and email addresses. Okay, you're gonna get one coupon voucher of $1,000 for grocery coupon. You're gonna get $1,000 in fast food coupons of your choice in the Mailbox Cash Money Marketing Kit. People, that is it. $250 and you're in business. You have your business in a box. Remember, your thoughts determine what you want, but your actions determine what you get. Get the unlimited $200 flyer postcard now. God bless. Have a great day, evening, night, and don't forget to subscribe.